makeup. Yeah, it's about makeup, alright. And our little Georgia Peach. We love our little Georgia Peaches. Yes, we do. We love her so much with her little blingy collars. Little princess. She wears some bling. That's right. She's the bling thing. And her little t-shirt on. Oh, she just, you know, Attack of the Killer Chihuahua. Loves to lick the makeup off your face. So bad. Her so bad. Her so bad. Anyways, you know, I love her so much. No, not the earrings. Woo! So she weighs 11 pounds now, so she's not going to be as tiny as I thought, but I don't think she's going to get much bigger. She might get a little bit wider, but her birthday's coming up in November. Yes. And we'll be getting our bark box pretty soon, so, you know, we'll be talking about that. Anyways, what we're really here for is we're going to do a look using Pink Religion. If I got it right side up, I do. Pink Religion palette. Collab with the beautiful Beth from Momma Vapes Beauty. She had her son pick out 4 shades in the palette, and I had Jake pick out 4 shades in the palette, and now we're going to put them on. So if you want to see what Jake picked out, how I'm going to put it together, because I don't have a clue, and you know what it looks like after I'm done, check it out, hang out, I'll be right back. It's time for Halloween. I'm sorry, August 1st, Halloween stuff starts coming out, because, yeah, baby. Woo! Okay, I'm glad that you decided to stick around. So now, let's take a look and see what Jake picked out. Okay, Jake is going to pick out 4 shades. Okay, there's 1. The one above your nail. 2. 3. Ooh, and 4. Okay, so it was this one is, the heck is that? Dollhouse Lane, Fashion Faith, Diva, and Princess Crown. This is really a pretty palette. Thank you so much, Beth, and this is going to be a lot of fun. Wow. Well, 3 mattes and a shimmer. That's cool. So we've got Dollhouse Lane, Fashion Faith, Diva, and Princess Crown. So let's start with okay, I think Diva. Alright, I'm going to start with Diva. And we're going to put that in the crease. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, my brushes are going to need to be washed after this. Ooh. Hey, this might help. Ooh, might even see what I'm doing now. Alright, so here goes in the crease. I'm going to pat it on gently, and then I'm having, like, I don't know, man. I just sneezed my head off a minute ago. It was like pollen in the air or something, and I take allergy pills daily. Wow. I want to pull that out to the edge just a little bit more. I really need to mow my brows. They're getting crazy. I think I might have found some place to go and have them done. I don't know. like I've been by it twice and I just never seem to have the time to actually go in. Okay, let's just, yeah. Start with Peg, because we know Jeffree Star tends to be pretty potent. So, going a little bit light to begin with, just so I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to pull it out to the side. My eyes, my wrinkles lay different ways, you know, they're not, the wrinkles on each eye are not symmetrical, so it's hard to get a look that is symmetrical on both sides. Wow. That's some pink right there now. Okay, so that was Diva. Alright, next we're going to go in the outer corner. I'm going to use the darkest, what looks to me like is the darkest. Was this Fashion Faith? This one, this kind of purpley one. I'm going to use that one to do that outer triangle, outer corner, whatever, you know. I'm just going to put it right there. I'm going to tap a little bit right there in the crease, right there. And you can see what I'm doing here. Can I see what I'm doing? Can anybody see what I'm doing? And I'm just going to kind of like blend it out. Pull it up a little bit. Wow, that was definitely plenty. Whew, baby. Okay. Where were we? Oh, yeah. This is Fashion Lane. What have I got going on here? My eyes are like running. I don't understand. It's like all of a sudden, I just had this huge allergy attack, and I took an extra allergy pill even, because I take pills on a daily. I'm still like, must have got a blast of pollen or something, because wow. Alright, I want to just dip that right in there, and then I hope you guys can even see what I'm doing. Kind of lift it up towards the tail of the brow a little bit. Wow, you know, Jeffree blends. Jeffree blends really well. Every palette that I've had from him has just been, seriously? Putting on makeup while your eyes are watering. What? Whew. Okay, so I wrote these down so that I wouldn't forget. Okay, we did Dollhouse Lane and Fashion Faith. Where's Diva? No, did we do Diva? Which one did I do? Holy crap. Wow, I don't even know which one I did. I'll be right back. I have to review. I'll be right back. Okay, so that was fun. I started with Diva, and I went with Fashion Faith. So Dollhouse Lane. We're gonna go with Dollhouse Lane. Let me see. I have to like put it upside down because of the direction that it falls. Dollhouse Lane is right there, and that is going to be, if I find my, I'll find my brush. Dollhouse Lane is going on the lid. Whoa. So, I don't know if I'm going to do the whole lid with this. I'm going to kind of blend into that outer corner. It is not helping that my eyes are like tearing right now. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of swoop down the top of the lid, sort of under the crease. Wow. Woo, he done picked some pink out here now. I can't wait to see what Beth does. Beth is just, I mean, you can tell that she is, you know, been doing makeup way longer than I have. She is so good at it, and she's so beautiful on top of it. It just, you know, I'm just honored that, number one, Beth actually sent me this palette. Like, thank you so much. And, you know, number two, that she wants to do this collab, which has taken me forever to get this one together. Wow. Okay, we're going to do a whole lot with this last one because it's shimmery and it's light. So, let me see. Alright, another brush. Okay, and this last one is Princess Crown. So, right here, it's kind of a icy pink, which you could actually use for a highlighter even. Just beautiful. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to put that on the lid. Holy crap, that's pretty. Oh man, that is, wow. Wow. Now, I have been using this palette a little bit, and it shocks me every time I use it. Like, I look at it and I think, wow, that's, you know, there's a lot of purple in there, and there's, you know, these colors look to me like they're not gonna work real well with these, and, you know, what am I gonna do with that? It's hard to get inspired because there's no, like, Barbie doll pink, you know, my favorite, but, and it's a lot of matte and only 3 shimmer. But I'll tell you, once I start playing with it, every time I'm like, oh my goodness, that is, we're going to just kind of blend with the matte there. Now, I should probably stop. I should stop right there. Stop. Sue, stop. No, stop right there. No, stop. No. We're going to go like just under the arch right here. Because, you know, y'all know how much this old lady likes to shine. Oh, I need to mow these brows. Lord of mercy. Hide that with my shadow. Ooh. Guys, that is, wow. So we used, see if I can put everything down here. We used Dollhouse Lane, Fashion Faith. Okay, well that makes sense with Pink Religion. Diva, and then this beautiful Princess Crown right here that I just, oh, good heavens to Murgatroyd. That is so, I can't even get it to come up. Like the light is just not going to let it. Ah, there you go. Wow. 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 That is so pretty. So pretty. Alright, guys, I'm going to put on some, you know, other stuff, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, this is it, with, you know, the eyes watering and all. I put on a little Too Faced Metallic liquid lip. I have no idea what the shade is, and the sticker peeled off, so yeah. It's pink. Little of Thrive mascara. And some eyeliner from Avon. Wow, that's this inside shade turned out a lot better than I thought. I thought it was a little more icy than that, but it is, woo, so pretty, so pretty. Yeah, this is. You know, I look at the palette and I think, there's a lot of purple. It's not as much pink as I would like. And then I go to use it and my opinion is totally different. So, hey, do you guys have this palette? What do you think of the pink? What do you think of this look that I did picking, you know, with the, with the shades that Jake picked out? I can't wait to see what Beth did. You know, I will definitely post a link in the comment section below. Totally go and check her out. I'm going to the grocery store like this. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. Until the next time, I hope you wake up dancing. Boom, wake up dancing. Boom, 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 wake up dancing. Every single day. Bye-bye.